What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add subtitles in CapCut. So to do that, let's head over to our CapCut application first. So,
তো লাগতেছে আপনি জিডিপি হিসেবে বানাচ্ছে আমাদের কষ্ট
so as you can see in here, I am just showing you the timeline and just go to the specific time in which you want to add your subtitle. So once you are there, just click or tap on text option right here, then tap on add text. And in here, you can just use any template fonts or styles, anything you want for your subtitles. And I'm choosing a font. And once I'm done, I'm just entering the text is winter. Sorry, it should be rain. And then go back and click on the tick mark. And you can also choose the duration for which you want your subtitle. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.